This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Welcome home. This meticulously maintained property offers a spacious floor plan, featuring a luxurious primary suite occupying the entire second floor. The main level includes 3 additional bedrooms, a formal living room, family room, large utility/mudroom, and a welcoming kitchen. Step into your backyard oasis, complete with an in-ground saltwater pool with a newer liner, Trex decking with a built-in canopy nearby for shade, a gas line ready for grilling, and a large shed for extra storage. Recent updates include vinyl-wrapped windows, with all second-floor windows replaced in 2024 at HVAC units just 3 and 5 years old with regular service contracts. Call us today to schedule your private viewing on this wonderful home. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below.